Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. Again, let's see. Sa lahat ng nasa separation, sa lahat ng nasa breakup. Okay, this is the reading for you. Oo, so titingnan natin kumusta ba yung iyong person. Okay? So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yes. Nandito sila lahat. Oo, ipapakita ko ulit. Okay, ipapakita ko ulit. So, yeah, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. So, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So, itong yung ring natin, this is adjustable, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, okay? And, syempre, yung ating evil eye necklace protection. Oo, so, simple lang. Ganyan lang siya. Pwede mo siyang paltan nitong chain kung gusto mo. Pero, yeah, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, unisex. Okay? And, yeah, yung kanyang length is 16 to 18 inches long. Kasama na po yung extender. Okay? And, syempre, yung ating dalawa nating evil eye protection bracelet. So, yung bracelet natin, may isang garterized, may isang adjustable. Okay? So, yung adjustable natin, available siya sa red strings. Okay? And, yes, meron pong initial na ilalagay. Okay? And, yeah, yung ating newish, oo, na talaga naman na marami napapasaya ngayon. Lalo na sa pamemera. Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Oo, yung meron pong citrine. May citrine para makapag-magnet ng pera. Okay? Customers, clients, sales. Okay? Sa'yo. Syempre naman, ganyan siya. Okay? Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi natin papakomplikaduhin. Kung gusto mo nito, okay, go. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? This is 7 inches long. Mula dito sa lock. Okay? Lock to lock. Parang ganyan. Anyway, I need your real name. Samahan nyo po ng evil eye protection. Itong ating, okay, 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Mas maganda. Anyway, so next yung ating granter. Taga-grant po ng minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprise. Weekly. Once or twice per week. Ang surprises po ni granter, ha? Okay? And syempre, aside yun sa minamanifest mo, yung mga ibibigay niya. Okay? Diba? Yeah, bongga. So, this is made to order unisex po. Ha? Itong ating granter necklace. Non-tarnish. Yeah, maganda naman yung chain niya. This is 2 years na sa akin. So, hindi pa rin naman siya nagta-tarnish. No? Diba? Anyway, so, yeah. And hypoallergenic po. No? Okay, so next is yung ating cord cutting. So, papasimplihin natin yung description, job description ni cord cut, tagapagtanggal at tagapag-alis ng MALAS. Tagapag-alis alat sa buhay mo, sa business mo, sa love life mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Okay, so, kung sa tingin mo, meron kang minanang hindi maganda, MALAS, tatanggalin nito. Okay? Sa mga ganyan pong bagay. Anyway, so kung meron pang mga tanong, message na lang po, no? And again, meron tayong pang cleanse. Meron tayong cleansing kit. Limited lang siya. So, meron siyang white sage and selenite. Yung selenite po natin is a crystal, no? Na pwedeng, talagang siya yung nagcha-charge, no? Ng mga charms, crystals natin. Yan. Okay? So, yeah. Pwede niya ring i-charge kung meron na kayong mga kanya-kanyang mga kung ano-ano man na gamit. Yes, pwede yun ang pang-charge nyo. No? Okay, yung selenite. So, lifetime use kay selenite. So, yeah, air signs. Let's start. The reading starts at 444. Yes. 444 is stability. So, angel number for all. Oo. So, kung ikaw, nanonood ka at hindi ka nag-i-skip, well, for you, yung angel number 444. Stability. progress in general. Okay? Long term. So, what's for our air signs? Air signs in separation. So, sino itong taong to? Tingnan natin, i-check natin para tayong mag-i-stock. No? Para tayong mag-i-stock nito. So, in separation, air signs, how's your person? So, who is this? Okay, so now, talagang no contact, you're in a breakup, the Four of Swords. Could be an air sign like you. Okay, so madami. So, 7, okay, this person is ma-pride at ma-ego. Some of them, they're just waiting, sitting, while thinking of you, and having regrets. I don't know why. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano tong Four of Swords? Masyado madami kasi. I just only need one. I only need one. What's with this Four of Swords? Minsan napapanaginipan mo na to eh. Anyway, pwedeng napapanaginipan ka na niya. Yeah, the Hermit. Oh, talaga naman. Some of you pwedeng nag-no contact or sabihin nating ginose ka. Dahilan ng breakup is ghosting. Okay, no reasons. Okay, walang dahilan, walang mga rason bakit ito nawala. Specific po yun. Okay, is specific. Anyway, some of you are still open for them. Kung magbabalik man. Let's see anong sitwasyon niya ngayon. Anong meron? Ang gusto kong malaman dito, bakit siya biglang nawala? Bakit siya nang iwan sa ere? Anong dahilan? Iba sa inyo, hindi nyo alam ang dahilan. Anong dahilan nito? Bakit siya bigla na lang nang iwan sa ere? Bakit kanya iniwan sa ere, air signs? Page of Cups in reversed. Number 1 is immaturity. Page of Cups in reverse. Nawala na rin yung parang sigla. By the Eight of Cups in reversed. Death in reverse. Ay, may nag-sneak back po. May bumalik po sa kanya. Okay, pass. Pass person. Okay. So, yeah. May bumalik po sa taong to. Hindi ko nakitang siya mismo ang naghanap. Okay. Siya po ang nilapitan ng ex niya. Kaya biglang nawala. Po, ganun yung energy. Tingnan natin. Okay. Anong sitwasyon? Emosyon? Tingnan natin. Kumusta na ba siya? Kumusta ba itong taong to ngayon? Kumusta siya? Air signs. See? The Three of Swords in reversed. Okay. What's with the Three of Swords? Page of Pentacles in the reverse. May nakipag-reconnect. Talaga. Justice. Okay. Eight of Swords in reverse. So, I think, itong taong to ngayon, talagang hindi niya sinabi, no, na merong bumalik. Hindi man siya nagpaalam. Nagpaliwanag, no, man lang. Now, the Page of Pentacles is here. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Alam ng taong to na talagang meron pa rin kayo na hindi natatapos sa sitwasyon. Yeah, the Star in reverse. See? Alam nito, yes, the situation is unhealed. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune. I think magiging lesson to sa kanya. Nakikita ko kasi kung sino man po yung bumalik sa kanya, iiwan rin siya. Anyway, kailangan mong malaman yun kasi nandito. Okay, hindi ko para sabihin yun para lang masiyahan ka, pero nakikita ko yun. I think this is karma. Sa ginawa niyang pag-iwan sa'yo, sa kanya mangyayari rin. Yes. Saan magiging next action? See? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. This is sabotage. Sabotage. The Magician. Babalik sa kanya kung anong gagawin niya. Or kung anong ginawa niya sa'yo, babalik sa kanya. This is like boomerang effect. A boomerang effect. Okay, so anong magiging outcome nyo ng taong to? Nakaseparate mo ngayon. Outcome nyo. Outcome ninyo. The Three of Wands in reverse. So, meron kang angel number 333. Lahat naka-reversed. Anyway. So, ano tong Three of Wands in reverse? This is turning back. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. King of Swords. No stability here. This is, sabihin natin, pag may nangyaring hindi maganda sa connection, here they come again. The Ace of Wands, naulan na naman. Diba ang random? Naulan na naman. Yeah, here they come again. Are you ready? Are you ready? The Eight of Cups. Ang dami nating energy ng pagbabalik dito. Ang dami. Some of you are still manifesting this person to come back. You're still. Yeah. Saan ba ito? Ano daw? Oo. Okay. You're still. Dun. Yeah. Anyway. So, it's up to you. May pagbabalikan ako nakikita sa inyo. Okay? So, I think this is for August. For August. Okay? So, next. Fire signs. Okay. So, fire signs in separation. Let's see. Your person's energy. It's like we're gonna stalk. Oo. The person. Okay? We will stalk your person. Kung ano bang meron sa kanya. So, sino ba to fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Who is this person na kahiwalayan mo nung meron sa kanya? Okay. Ito yung first card ni air sign. So, may chance na talagang hindi kayo magkausap ngayon. So, this is totally energy of breakup, no? So, the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, some of you, energy ito ng pananawa. Okay, nanawa. Nagkasawaan, nandyan na yung lamig. Okay? So, hindi na naman mag-asa na magkaroon din ng resurface. Pag resurface, kasi iba sa inyo nakikipagmatigasan rin. No? Like, ayokong mag-reach out, ayokong ganito, ganyan. Break kami, so break kami. Parang ganon. Okay? So, let's see your person. Okay, now. Some of you are dealing with another fire sign. There could be a Sagittarius. They're waiting. They're waiting. Maybe both of you are waiting for each other. Na kumilos. Oh, what's with that Temperance? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Okay. I think this person, some of you, while there's this waiting game na nangyayari, somebody is there like outside playing the field. Okay? Somebody's option is open. I don't know who's who. Okay? Whose option is open? Is your option open? Does your option open? Option ba niyang open? Pero, this is waiting for a new beginning. Waiting for a new beginning. Pero, while waiting, hindi ako magfo-focus lang dito. The Page of Wands. Ten of Wands. Siyempre, burden kasi. Siyempre. So, Mahirap yung naghihintay ka tapos wala ka pang ginagawa, hindi ka pa nakikipag connect kung kani-kanino, di ba? Nakakaburyong yun. Or sabihin natin, okay, because of the ego and pride, hindi ko kakayaan sarili ko na maghintay lang na maghintay, okay? Gagawin ko yung kung anong gusto ko. Anyway, single naman. Diba? May mga ganun eh. So, let's see. Single naman eh. Single naman ako ngayon eh. So, bakit? Let's see. What is your emotion right now? Aside sa nanggigigil na tong taong to, kakahintay. Okay, what is your emotion for you, fire signs? Commitments. They want commitments. They want, yeah, see the lovers? They want to reconnect. What's with the 10 of Pentacles? They want to commit. They want a new beginning. They want you. They want you. Yeah, they want to go back. They want to make a return. They're holding back na magkaroon ng new beginning. Yun lang ang issue dito. You're both holding back to each other, or you're still like, sabihin nating ego and pride ang nandito. Walang nakikipag-communicate. So papaanong mangyayari dito? Mabubulok na lang tayo pare-pareho. Mabubulok na lang kakahintay. Mamumuti ang mga mata kakahintay. Wala akong bibigyang advice kung sino ang mag-reach out dito. Ayoko. This is not a personal reading, by the way. Kung personal reading to, pwede kitang bigyan ng advice. Pero yeah, this is collectives. Okay? Fire sign collectives. Ayoko rin bigyan ito ng outcome. Ayoko rin bigyan ng outcome. Yeah, ayaw nating may mag-manifest. Kasi gusto kong matapos na lang to dito. Na this person gusto niyang bumalik at makipag-ayos. At mag-commit na. Some of you there's somebody else here na talagang gusto ka rin konekan. Aside dito sa ka-break mo. So, mauna na lang kung sino. Diba? Okay, sa mga nag-cross-watch dyan kay fire signs, hindi lang kayo ang gustong kumonek dito kay fire signs, meron pong iba dito na gustong kumonek kay fire signs. So, una-unahan na lang kayo, past person, new person ni fire signs. Una-unahan na lang kayo. So, there. Next. Water signs. Okay, so water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, water signs and separation. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, let's see. Water signs. Okay, so sino ba tong kahiwalayan mo? Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron sa kanya? Para malaman mo na siya ito. Okay. Okay. The Juggler. The Juggler. What's with the Two of Pentacles? The Five of Swords in reversed. The Hierophant. Okay. So, ito yung taong nahirapan kang makita talaga kung anong intention nito sa'yo. Okay? Some of them, ang hilig nilang mag-love bomb, mag-breadcrumb. Ang hilig nilang magbigay ng mixed signals. They're a juggler, I think. And decisive. I don't know if they have options before. Let's see. Magulong utak nito, water signs. Some of them, they juggle two people. Maybe they're dealing with two people. Anyway, hindi yun para sa lahat Kunin lang po ninyo kung ano sa tingin nyo mag-resonate or nagre-resonate. So, anong situation niya ngayon? Let's see. Judgment. Stuck sa isang cycle or loop. Page of Cups. Ano bang mga nangyayari? Bakit lagi na lang every time may break up, this person eto nangyari, sabihin natin kayo mismo na stuck sa loop ng taong to. On off, in out, pero nandun nakakasawa na to, nakaka-bored na. Nakaka-boring na to. Queen of Pentacles, inayawan na mismo. Napagod sa connection. Water signs, pwedeng itong taong to napagod sa'yo. Yeah, gusto ka ng tao, yes, mahal ka, pero nagdalawang isip na siya Nagdalawang isip na siya. Okay? Kung itutuloy pa ba or yeah. So siguro, yun nga, nakipag-break sa'yo itong taong to kasi hindi na niya kaya. Hindi na siya maging available. Mas pinili nito ang peace of mind over this. Over you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is like enough with the sorry. Enough with the ganun. Enough with the ayoko na, may pagbalikan. Tapos ganun din naman. Always the Page of Cups. Always the Page of Cups. This is like sorry. Eventually, yun na naman. Gagawin na naman yung mga pinag-sorry. Yung mga dahilan ng sorry, gagawin na naman. Yeah, this is a repeat. There's a pattern here. Okay, so what is their emotion right now? Let's see, what is their emotion? What is their emotion? So, napagod yung person mo, water sign. Oh, okay. So, 8 of Swords and the 4 of Wands. Emotion. Okay, so meron ditong nag-flip pa na isa, the 5 of Pentacles. Okay, baka meron pa. Okay, so emotion, they're stuck. Still stuck. Okay, sa energy, pero they're trying na merong mag-improve sa buhay. Okay, hindi ka nito sabihin natin, hindi niya parang palagi lang itatak sa isip niya na kailangan ka niya. Nagkaroon po dito ng sabihin natin ng codependency. Okay, nirelease na lang niya yung sarili niya from this, from the stress, from the situation itself. Yeah, gusto niya to, pero ang naririnig ko sa kanya, this is enough. They're still stuck, actually. Hindi pa rin healed. Yeah, hindi pa rin healed. But they're like helping themselves na makaalis sa sitwasyon na to. Hindi niya hinahayaang ma-stuck siya totally. Like, malunod sa kumunoy. Hindi niya hinahayaan yan. Pinatibay mo itong taong to, water signs. Ikaw ang dahilan ng pagiging matibay niya ngayon. Well, pwedeng maging vice versa yung reading. Sa totoo lang. Pero ang nakukuha ko, this is energy talaga ng person mo. Okay, now, they're trying to avoid you. Trying to avoid, sabihin nating ma-attach pa rin dito sa connection na to. Kasi they're fighting the current, no? They're fighting the current na talagang malapit muli sa'yo. Ayaw na niya. I'm sorry. Next! Earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, Earth signs in separation. Let's see. Let's talk your person's energy. Yan bang meron? Pero syempre, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, Earth signs. Earth signs. Earth signs. Sino ba itong person na kahiwalayan mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Para malaman mo na siya itay. Okay. The 10 of Wands. The burden. Could be a fire sign. The burden talaga no? Nagbigay ng pasakit sa'yo, Earth signs. Yeah. The Fool in reversed. makasarili. I don't know. Yeah, the Two of Cups in reverse. Hindi kayo magtagpo ng taong to. Two of Wands. Three of Cups in reversed. Pinahirapan ka ng taong to sa connection, earth signs. Hindi mo malaman kung may patutunguhan ba talaga yung connection nyo before or what. Hanggang sa maramdaman mo lang na parang totally lumalayo na yung damdamin at emosyon mo sa taong to. Yun ang eksakto na nangyari sa inyo ng taong to. Nagbigay siya ng pasakit sa iyo. Kaya ikaw mismo ang parang tinabangan. Tinabangan, sabi nga sa Batangas. Ay, matabang. Anyway, may nag-flip. The Ace of Swords. I don't know kung anong meron. Maybe you're waiting for transparency, clarity, maybe answers. Don't know. So, ano bang meron sa sitwasyon ngayon? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Some of you, you're focusing on your work, no? Okay. Ano ba ang kailangang malaman ng mga earth signs sa sitwasyon ng taong to ngayon? Anong meron? Ooh! The Four of Cups in reversed. They are sad. Nangihinayang. You're the one that got away ng taong to earth signs. The Four of Cups in reverse. You're the one that got away. Why? The one that got away. Some of them, they're trying na magkaroon ng bago sa buhay nila. Pero hindi nila makita yung tulad mo. They want this sa connection, the Four of Wands. Pero still, hindi pa rin nila makita yung tulad mo. Hindi pa rin nila makita yung tulad mo. Ano bang meron? Ano to? See? The Lovers in reverse. Hindi pa rin nila makita yung tulad mo. Ay, kawawa. Kawawa yung energy ng person. Ngayon kayo ay separated. So, what is their emotion? Let's see. Anong emosyon ngayon? Aside sa talaga namang lumbay na lumbay tong taong to. Okay. Sad. Low frequency yung person. The Knight of Swords. Emotion is the Knight of Swords. The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Ace of Pentacles. They want to communicate actually. Pero feeling nila hindi ka na open for them. You're sad. Yeah. Gusto ko makita ang next action. They want to reach out, pero parang feeling nila wala namang patutunguhan. Para mag-aaksaya lang siya ng panahon. So, will they reach out? Or ano bang gagawin nila? Next action. The Moon. So, maging silent. At mag-obsess sa'yo. Okay, there's tension here. There's blockages. You're in their head. You're living in their head rent-free. You're living in their head rent-free. So, what's the outcome for you too? What's the outcome? This is obsession. This is lust. Some of them. Some of you, they're thinking of you sexually. Okay? Yeah, you're the one that got away ng taong to. Attach pa rin. Nag-uumiyak gabi, umaga. Silent. Obsessing. Sa isang sulok. So, anong outcome nyo? What is their outcome? So, siguro ngayong August to. Okay? outcome. The Nine of Wands. This is hiding, avoiding. Yeah, the commitments. So, medyo malabo ang pakikipagbalikan dito, pakikipag-ayos. Still, the breakup is there, present. Okay? The High Priestess. So, makikipagsabayan kayo sa patahimikan. Okay? Sabihin nating mas maingay pa sa yung kuliglig sa gabi. Sobrang tahimik. Oo, wala akong nakikita ditong somebody will reach out. This person is obsessing over you. Yeah, pero wala akong nakukuha energy na pwedeng gumawa sila ng action towards you. They're too afraid. They're losing hope. Okay? They see you as somebody who is guarded, avoiding them. Kaya ang laki ng panghihinayang nitong taong to, Earth sign. Ang laki ng panghihinayang. Kasi yung iba sa kanila, wala rin naman silang pwedeng i-offer eh. Yeah. Wala silang pwedeng i-offer or wala silang kayang i-offer sa'yo sa ngayon. In general. Love, money, affection, kung ano man. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha. Yun ang nakukuha ko sa tao. Yeah. This is sad. Okay, so meron kang angel number 444. Okay, 4 of Cups, 4 of Wands, 4 of Swords. So, that's talking about stability, progress, long term. So, maybe, this connection, may chance na may binibigay sa yung lesson para mas maging strong ka pa, independent, maybe. See? Kinat ko, Ace of Pentacles. So, gawin mo tong parang stepping stone, no? Gawin mong panimula. Oo. Kumuha ka, humugot ka dito ng mga dahilan para makapagsimula ka muli, Earth sign. No, siguro, sa mga pwedeng nakaresonate dun, yeah. Kung nakaresonate sa yung reading kahit hindi ka naman Earth sign, maybe kasi meron kang Earth sign sa iyong zodiac, sa iyong 3 major, no? Sun, Moon, Rising. Anyway, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Again, thank you. Goodbye.